Today we're having our Ford Tech Drive Day for the students to engage them and educate them about Ford technician jobs at the various Ford dealerships here in the greater Memphis area.
Coolest thing I've seen so far, the car was parking itself, and it's just interesting how the steering wheel was like moving and like the driver wasn't even touching it or anything.
So we're going to have about 7 workstations. We have Dealer 101, we have our VR workstation, our new Ford Lightning walk around. We have the More Tech workstation where we can educate them and promote the facility and our hosts for this evening.
Well, right now, honestly, I'm looking forward to look more at the Ford Bronco in the back because I really like that car. I'm interested in probably mechanics and working at a dealership because mechanics interest me a lot.